Hi, my name is Catherine Went with Syscon, and thanks for taking a moment of your time. Today I wanted to talk with you about third-party integration applications. In the last few months, we've had a few more emergency calls than we usually get to our technicians asking for some assistance. In most of the cases, it was related to payroll, which of course is an emergency and everyone is pretty anxious on that. It's very time sensitive. In each of the cases that I'm thinking about today, there was a separate program that was no longer able to connect to Sage 100 Contractor, and this is just an example for you. Several were related to our FIT system. There were a couple of other integration pieces that had a similar problem. The office team couldn't import the time to get it into the payroll module. It turns out that the client had made a major network change. It could have been a new server, or moving to a new hosting environment, or putting in a new router, a new internet provider, or even a new firewall. When you have a program that talks to Sage 100 Contractor, there is a path for that communication. It is configured. It is a path like a roadway to get between the one software and the other. If you change the location of any of those pieces or you swap them out for a replacement piece, they need to be reconfigured so that that chain of communication can be put back in place and tested. So if you are having technology changes and you have anything planned like that, be sure to consider the software on either end of those devices and see if some other plans need to be put in place. Often, with a little planning, we can do it on a day that's not critical. We can make sure that configurations are in place and tested so that when the critical day does come, you can have confidence everything will go perfectly smoothly. Thanks for your time, and we hope you have a great rest of your week.